Hey there! Hope all of you are doing well and welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing an order from Oralia, if you can see. So this is a homegrown brand. It's a brand that I found on Instagram, and as you know, I like supporting these small brands that are coming up, and hopefully a little support from me will help them get a few more customers. So that's ideally what I am doing. As you can see, the product is packed in a super box like this, and I ordered a hairband also, typically me, and that was like placed on top of it and taped. I just removed that so that I can just show it in the video like this. And let me just open the box and see how the packaging is. So as you can see, oh, there's a tissue that they have given, and there's a card. Okay, so it says the Oralia story. Oralia is a homegrown brand, and it is there. They also want to embrace the local markets and support the local artisans of India. So that is the reason that they have started the brand, as you can see. And they have also, in the other side, they just thanked the customer for making the purchase and have given their Instagram and Facebook handles so that we can just visit them. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and open the packaging up. The first one itself is so cute. By the way, this is a freebie, okay? This is not something that I ordered, and this is so soft. So this is a scrunchie, as you can see. It's so soft, and I just feel like playing with it rather than wearing it. So good on you that you sent me this. And the other the other freebie that I got is a pair of earrings, and they're like turtles basically. They look like turtles. Yeah, they are turtles. Oh, it's so cute. Let me just show you guys. Isn't it cute? So it's like a turtle, and this earrings was also a freebie. So they gave me 2 freebies along with my order. As usual, my budget was 500 rupees, and these are the products that were within that budget. And going forward with the budget, the typical me, I even bought like a hairband, like a hair clip. So it's a big one. It's a big plastic pearl hair clip, as you can see, and it's a tic-tac clip as usual. This is I don't have this big of a clip, and this was actually a pretty nice purchase for me because I really like the shape of it, which was a rectangle, and it goes with anything. And the next hairpin actually is a pin that says Queen. So this is also very pretty. Yeah, this is really nice. I mean, you have many other words also, so you can choose whatever you want. There's like queen, there's baby, there's boss, there's so many other things. And it is definitely something that I really like to wear. And this is like a single bobby pin that goes into it. So let me just pack it back up, and these are like so cute. So the hairband, coming to it, is a sky blue-ish hairband with pearls on it, if it's visible. And yeah, it's a top knot hairband, and I really wanted something with pearls because I don't have anything with pearls, and I don't have this blue color, so I just felt like I needed to order this. And let me just wear it. Is it cute, Vishal? Yeah, so this is something that caught my eye. There are other hairbands too, and I wanted something with pearls along with them. I think this was just like 50 rupees or something, which is like very, very cheap. And I definitely feel that if I had found this store before, I would have purchased a lot more. But I already have a good hairband collection, and I keep wearing them now and then, which is something that I absolutely love. So yeah, that is the next product. Whew. Okay, this is pretty. So we have a ear cuff by Oralia. As you can see, it's a white stone ear cuff. It's pretty cute. I already have a couple of ear cuffs from a previous video, but this one actually caught my eye because I really liked the circle in the between with the stones, and this looks very nice. I love their packaging as well because the branding is everywhere, and I know it may not be as good for the environment, but right now I don't know why it's like the font, the way, the color palette, everything is like speaking to me very much. and I absolutely find that super cute. They had even rose gold as well as silver ear cups, which I mean, I don't really wear that much of earrings and stuff which is in colors other than gold, mostly because that is something that goes with my skin tone. But I do have like silver based earrings and all that, which occasionally do well when I'm wearing professional clothes or stuff like that. So this one definitely doesn't go with professional clothes. This is for like when you want to make a statement. So yeah, I really like this design. There was another design that I liked, which actually was a string of white stones. So that is definitely something I will probably purchase in my next round. And yeah, moving on to the next one, again an hair accessory. How many of you here like avocados? If you've made it this far into the video, go down to the comment section and comment avocado. So these are cute little avocado clips with 2 gold bobby pins, as you can see. And yeah, the avocado is very cute, isn't it, Vishal? Let me just take out one avocado clip. So as you can see, this is the avocado clip. It's so pretty. So let me just put it on. Oh. Isn't it cute, Vishal? I think it goes with my t-shirt also today. I'm wearing green, avocado is green. And yeah, it also comes with 2 bobby pins. I didn't know that when I was ordering. I thought it was only the avocado clip, and I ordered it. So it was a nice surprise that I got 2 more bobby pins along with it, and they were golden color. So I really like the color, or like the twists that are there in the bobby pins as well. The last product in this, the main thing that the reason actually I placed this order was this necklace set. So I saw this necklace on Ajio, if I am not wrong, and this was by some brand, and it was very pricey, but I really liked the neck cuff / necklace. And here you go, this is the necklace. I mean, it's a statement piece in itself, isn't it? It's blue and green. It's an ombre effect on that, and there are matching earrings to it. As you can see, these are the matching earrings, and they're like super pretty. So let me just come back. I'll just wear this and come back. As you can see, I am wearing the neck piece, but of course it's not gonna go well with my t-shirt right now. But I definitely do have clothes that this thing will work with pretty well. I find it so pretty, by the way, and as you can see, it's adjustable. You can change it according to your neck size, or probably some people like a wider wider neck piece, and this will change accordingly. So you can bend it, and according to your taste you can change it. And the earrings, of course, are also a showstopper. I think the earrings you can wear on their own as well, and they are like super pretty. So yeah, I really enjoyed purchasing from Oralia, and the packaging has been amazing. The products have been very good. One thing that I had, but then Oralia was the brand itself has like a WhatsApp chat where you can actually chat with. So the avocado clip had like a small stain or whatever on it. So I just contacted them about it, and they were very gracious enough to offer me a 10% off on my next purchase, which I will be definitely making in the future. And yeah, so this is what I think about Oralia. You guys please go ahead, show your love to the Oralia Instagram page. I'll leave the link of it also down below. And also make sure that when you are purchasing from local brands, you give them a shout out on the social media, because they do reposts, and what that does is that it helps them get to more bigger audience, which is good for them and good for their growth. So this is my small effort, and I hope you guys like the video, and let me know if you liked any of these accessories, or you really like this crunchy like me. And see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.